Today we are going to see test of independence of attributes. Another important application of chi-square distribution, the testing of independence of attributes. The value of chi-square statistics for the 2x2 contingency table can also be calculated A alpha total, B beta total. B A is small a, B, C, D. A plus B, here A plus B, C plus D. Here A plus C, B plus D, total N. So chi-square N into AD minus BC the whole square divided by A plus B into C plus D into A plus C into A plus D. The test for specified population variance. Example, the following data is collected in two characteristics. Literate, illiterate, smokers, non-smokers. Here 83, 57, 45, 68. Based on this, can you say that is no relation between the habit of smoking and literacy? Solution. First, from null hypothesis. Null hypothesis, there is no evidence of association between smoking habit and literacy. H1 means the alternative hypothesis. There is evidence of association between smoking habit and literacy. There is evidence of association between smoking habit and literacy. First find observed table, observed frequency table. Literate, illiterate, smokers, non-smokers, then total. Here also we need a total. Literate smokers 83, illiterate 45, so total 128. Non-smoker 57, 68, total 125. So here total 140, 113. This total is 253, capital N. Now find expected frequency. Literate, illiterate, smokers, non-smokers, total, here total. So this one, how to find the smokers? 128 into 140, 128 into 140 divided by 253, that is equal to 71. This number, this total smokers, literate, this total smokers total into literacy total divided by n. Here non-smokers, this one into literate total 125, 125 into literate total divided by 253, that is equal to 69. Similarly we can find illiterate smokers, that is 128 into 113, 128 into 113 by 253, that value is 57. This value 125 into 113 by 253, that is equal to 56. Here total 140, 113, here total 128, 125 and 253. So O, E, O minus E, O minus E the whole square, O minus E the whole square by E, that's all. Now observed frequency 83, 57, 45 and 68. Expected frequency 71, 69, 57 and 56. O minus E 12, minus 12, minus 12, 12. So 144, here also 144, whole divided by the 2.03, 2.09, 2.53 and 2.57. The total 9.22. Expected value, this total 253. So chi squared summation of O minus E the whole squared by E, that is equal to 9.22. N degrees of freedom is 1. Table value chi squared 1 degrees of freedom is equal to 3.84. Since the calculated value of chi squared is greater than table value of chi squared. So H naught is rejected. Hence, there is evidence of association between literacy and smoking habit. Another example, two groups of 100 people, each were taken for testing the use of vaccine. 15% contracted the disease, out of inoculated persons, while 25 contracted the disease in the other group. Test the efficiency of the vaccine using chi-square test. So solution: first form, null hypothesis, the vaccine is not effective. So alternative hypothesis, the vaccine is effective. So first find absolute frequency. Contracted the disease, not contracted the disease. Vaccinated, not vaccinated. Total. Here total. So contracted, vaccinated, that is 15. Not vaccinated 25. So total 40. Not contracted, vaccinated 85. Not vaccinated 75. Total 160. Here this total 100. This 100. This 200. Now expected frequency. Expected frequency then contracted the disease, not contracted the disease. Vaccinated, not vaccinated, total. Here we need total. Already we know that formula. Contracted 100 into 40 divided by 200. 100 into 40 divided by 200, the total. Not vaccinated, 100 into 40 divided by this 200. Here 100 into 160 by 200. 100 into 160 by 200. Here also same, because total same, 200. This value is 20. This value is 20. Here 40. This value is 80. This value is 80. 160. Here total 100. Here total 100. So this value is 200. Now observed value, expected value, observed minus expected value, observed minus expected the whole square, O minus E the whole squared by E. So from the table, the observed value is 15, 25, 85, 75. Expected value 20, 20, 80, 80. O minus E minus 5, 5, 5 minus 5. So 25, 25, 25, 25. So 1.25, 1.25, 0.31, 0.31. So total 3.12, O minus E, that is 200. So test statistics, chi squared equal to 3.12. That is summation of O minus E the whole squared by E. So n degrees of freedom is 1. Table value of chi squared for 1 degrees of freedom 3.84. So our conclusion, H0 is accepted since the calculated value of chi squared is less than the table value of chi squared. Hence, the vaccine is not effective.